Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into this device. So before we get started, you will want to grab one of these, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but typically it would look something more like this, just a unappealing piece of metal. So look for that. Now if you can't find it, maybe you throw out the box or whatever, you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that like plastic wrap around it. If it does, you can cut this off and then you're left off with just a metal, which should be at that point usable. Now once you have either one of those, either the tool or the paperclip, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the device. Now you can see we have two different like holes in here. We're interested in this one right here that is part of this cutout. That's the SIM tray. This one is actually a microphone, but don't worry, if you poke that, nothing will happen. So anyway, insert it into the SIM part or tray and push it in. You can see when you do, the tray pops out enough for you to now pull it out. You can also see that on the tray we just have space for SIM cards and nothing else. Now here we have at the top SIM tray number 1 and then at the bottom 2. This device supports eSIM, I'm pretty sure. So in a case of using an eSIM and wanting to also use a physical SIM card, make sure you occupy the tray number 1, as tray number 2 is basically interchangeable. You can either use it for eSIM or physical SIM card. If you're using eSIM, the tray becomes turned off basically. So any card in here won't be read by the device. So anyway, let's grab our card, plop it in here. Make sure that it is in place correctly. This card should be laying flush on the tray, as you can see, and shouldn't be falling out if you flip it over. So from there, pop it back into your device. There we go. And the card should start working right away when you insert it, which, come on, there we go. We have our SIM card pin, so I'm gonna confirm it to unlock the SIM card. And there we go, that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.